danger right. Red active for a red candle. Because the sun is birthday, we have a birthday candle. Now, in the count of three, everybody will shout the magic word. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What's the magic word? Abracadabra! Happy birthday, Ali! Whoa! It's good.
I'll take a video. You watch.
Do you know what is this? It's turpon.
May YouTube sa. Ipapost
Yeah,
natin.
the lolo and the lola is this. Red turpon or baston. This one, what is the color of the hanky? Huh? Green. Very good. This one. What? Blue. Now, this time, can you please open your eye like this? Then hold your eye like this. Don't blink your eye. Hold your eye. Come on. Don't blink. Don't blink. Everybody shout the magic word. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It's so hungry for eye. Oh, about this one. What is the color of this hanky? And how many hankies do we have? One. Very good. Okay, watch. Oh. Okay, 1, 2. Sit down, sit down. Okay. Watch closely. Don't try this at home. Everybody, make out of here. Let's go show the magic word. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Did you enjoy the magic show? You want more magic show? That's the end of the magic show. Alright, who wants more? Oh, alright, okay, before we move on to the next magic, who loves to draw? Huh? You love to draw? Okay, I have here a very powerful pen, a Violet Super Color Marker. Came all the way from National Bookstore. Alright, this time we're gonna play a quick guessing game. I'm gonna show you something on this big piece of paper. All you need to do is to guess it. Now, if you guess it right, I'll give you a prize. Ready? Ready? Remember, I'll draw you guess. Here we go. Guess the drawing. Huh? Ali, do you know what it is? No? Any guess? No. How about now? No? No, can you guess it, Ali? Told you, I'm good at drawing. Diba? Ang galing mo mag-drawing. Oh. On grade 1. It's a bird! What kind of bird? Huh? What kind of bird? A parrot! Good! Nice! Now, what's that for you? Look like parrot play is successful. Oh. with chocolate. Okay. Alright, it's a real parrot. A parrot with a razor sharp claw. Nakalimutan ko ulit. Alright, now, please, sir, if you want to answer the magic show, you can take a picture with the parrot. You can hold it like this. Take a picture, you can post it on the Facebook, alright? For now, everybody say bye-bye, parrot. The name of the park is Goku. Okay, the park go back to his yaya.
Ano daw?
The beautiful wife, and the yaya of the parrot. Wala mo. He's so cute. Now, if you want to have a parrot in your house, you need to come the yaya first. Now, if you already have a yaya, you can have a parrot. Alright, now, who wants more? Okay, this time I'm gonna introduce a friend. He's inside the luggage. I want you to be nice with him. Okay. His name is Ernie. Everybody shout the name. Hi, Ernie! Ilipat ka? Okay. Yan. Okay. Alright, everybody say hi, Ernie! Hello, everyone! Ang init sa loob na nauho ako. Ilang taon ka na, Ernie? 6 years old. Oh, 6 years old ka na. Anong gusto mong maging paglaki mo? Malaking igasyo. Ibig sabihin, anong pangarap mo? Ano yung profession na gusto mo? If you're already a professional, to get nga 6 years old. No, not professional 6 years old. It is sometimes in the future. Get your 6 years old. No. Oh, talaga. Oh, did you go to school? Yes. Okay, what is the name of your school? Ateneo. Ateneo. Do you know what Ateneo? Ateneo what? No. Iba yun eh. If you really go to school, what is your favorite subject? I like math.
Wala nang memory.
Like math? Who likes math?
Naubusan na ng memory si Margo.
Ah, ang galing.